Hi friends, this is Miss Diana and today we're going to learn how to make chocolate chip cookies. For the ingredients you will need 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of softened butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of hot water that you are going to mix later on. Also, you'll need half of teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and finally 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. To make this recipe, you will also need some utensils like a hand mixer, a bowl to put all the ingredients, 1 or 2 flat pans where you're going to put the cookies so then we can bake them. Now that we have everything ready, let's start our cookies. Step 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Step 2. Add the white sugar, brown sugar, and butter together until smooth. Now add the vanilla extract and mix again. Now add the eggs one at a time. Now we're going to dissolve the baking soda in hot water, and for that you will need 2 teaspoons of water. There's 1, and now there's 2. Add this into the batter and also a half teaspoon of salt. And now we mix. Now add the 3 cups of flour to the batter, and you can do it better if it's 1 at a time. Can you observe the consistency of our cookie dough? It's getting thicker and heavier. It's not as liquidy as it was. Finally, we're going to add our chocolate chips. And then mix again. Now, take a spoon or an ice cream scooper and pour some cookie dough into an ungreased pan. Make sure to leave some space between one and another. Now put them in the oven and bake for 10 minutes. Finally, with the help of a grown-up, take them out of the oven, let them chill for a few minutes, and then enjoy!